This is the newest and largest member of the GoBox family, the GoBox 60. It's built for your longest trips and your largest gear. Like its smaller siblings, the GoBox 60 is 100% waterproof and 100% dustproof, meeting both IP65 and IP67 standards. It stays completely dry, even when fully submerged. It's also UV, rust, corrosion, and impact resistant. Basically, it's YETI tough. Inside, the removable caddy and divider slots let you configure your GoBox for whatever the day demands. Today demands about a week's worth of chores on the ranch, so let's pack up. And up top, the pack attic is perfect for items that need to grab and go with a quick zip. When it comes to security, the GoBox 60 is a gear fortress. 2 locking ports and a gasket seal your cargo shut. The non-slip feet make sure that everything stays in place on any boat, raft, truck, or four-wheeler. That sucker's not going anywhere. There's a few upgrades that I'm really excited about. The improved easy access latches keep your gear secure and accessible. And the new recessed lid makes it stack compatible with every member of the GoBox family, maximizing space and stability. And finally, the new loadout carry handles make transporting easier than ever. Whether you're gearing up for a day out on the water, down in the duck blind, or out on the ranch, the GoBox family was built to protect your stuff and give you peace of mind. Because if it's in here, it's all good out there.